What makes a Cancer happy? Well, definitely spending time with loved ones, whether it be family, friends, making awesome memories, having good times, especially spending, fun times at home, cuddling up, reading a book, playing a board game, anything that creates fun with the people that they love and, creates memories and also creates laugh. Cancers love to laugh. Laughing definitely makes cancers happy. Cancers just love to have fun deep down. They're like children, inside, and that's why I love them. By the way, it's Cancer season when I'm making this video, so shout out to Cancers. Woo woo! Speaking of Cancers and loving to laugh, they love to make people laugh as well. Cancers are hilarious, and Cancers have an awesome sense of humor. They have a very, very great sense of humor. And the wonderful thing I find about Cancers is that they can laugh at themselves, which you don't often find in a lot of zodiac signs. A lot of zodiac signs crack on you, crack on, other people, but, when you crack on them, oh gosh, there's, earthquakes and, volcanoes and tornadoes and just thunderstorms. It's just chaos. But a Cancer will laugh with you when you make fun of them, and that's one of the most wonderful things. And they're honest with themselves. You can make fun of them, if they're bow-legged, and they'll be like, yeah, I am bow-legged. You can make fun of them for being, a little bit, slow, and not slow mentally. I'm talking about slow in terms of just, like overall catching up, to the joke. I guess that would be considered slow. Alright, maybe that's not the best choice to use in this PC era that we live in. Maybe you make fun of them for wearing glasses. Wait. Okay, basically I'm trying to say Cancers have no problem laughing at themselves, and I appreciate that. Laughing at themselves actually makes a Cancer happy because it shows that life isn't so serious all the time and no one's perfect. You know what else makes a Cancer really happy? A good shopping sale. Oh my god. A Cancer loves a shopping sale on food. They love a shopping sale on clothes. They love a shopping sale on games. Like, a Cancer loves a good shopping sale and a good shopping spree, a good shopping moment. And every Cancer is different. Not every Cancer is going to want to go to the mall and go shopping for clothes. Some Cancers do like to shop for, games or cars and things like that. But nonetheless, Cancers like to spend a good coin on a good quality experience. Another thing that makes a Cancer happy, interestingly enough, and I don't know if people actually appreciate this enough about Cancers, is that they like to work hard for the money. They do. They like to really work hard for their money, and I love that about Cancers. They're very hard working. That actually makes them happy when they work hard for what they have, and they know that it wasn't given to them. Of course, they like gifts. Gifts make them happy too, but when they know at the end of the day, I worked hard for this home, I worked hard for this car, I worked hard for this family, that makes the Cancers so happy. Did I mention that Cancers love food? Oh my god, Cancers love good food. And they love a good home-cooked meal with love. They really, really do. And it's interesting, you have to keep in mind that Cancers are ruled by the moon. And the moon rules the relationship to the home, the mother, the family, and traditionally, quote unquote, alright, we don't live in a traditional world anymore, unfortunately. I did grow up in the 90s, and that was a little bit of tradition, but as we got later into the 90s, it kind of turned into the millennium, and that was a fun time to be in that era. But nonetheless, back to the video. Cancers like tradition. They like, traditionally, it's said that, the mother is the one who, makes all the lovely home-cooked meals, although shout out to the dads that can cook and throw down in the kitchen, too. The home is where you get a good home-cooked meal, family time, family gatherings, family cookouts, like food. Cancers love good food. Authentic home-cooked food with love. And no one cooks with love better than your family. Family can throw down. Or unless you have friends that are regarded as family. Now, Cancers do have friends that they regard as family, and that makes them happy too. When they can bring someone in, and they're no longer just a friend. It's like you're part of the family. You're part of the crew. You can hang out with me and my cousins. You can hang out with me and my aunt and uncle. You can hang out with me and my mom and dad. You are a part of the family. That makes a Cancer so happy. And bonus if you're like a boyfriend or a girlfriend. Cancers love affection, male or female. They love, love, love affection. Now, sometimes they can be a bit shy, all right? They can be a little bit awkward with PDA, depending on the circumstance, the situation, right? The context. But, secretly they love, love, love affection. They love cuddling. They love gifts, of love. Cancers love affection. They love knowing that you love them. They love showing you love. And, Cancers just love knowing that they're wanted and they're needed in this world. That makes them really happy. I have a theory that Cancers secretly love the holidays. I think the holidays secretly make Cancers happy. And that's interesting because their season is, the summertime. And, we have that, 4th of July situation, during Cancer season, kind of, or the cusp of Cancer season. But there's not really that many, as far as I know, holidays during Cancer season. But Cancers tend to be very festive people, I find. They love throwing a party. They love, let's have Christmas dinner at my house. Let's have Thanksgiving at my house. Let's have Labor Day, fun at my house. Like, Cancers love throwing parties. They love hosting parties. They're great hosts, and I think it's because they love making people happy. When people are happy, that are around them and that they have to kind of care for and nurture, that makes the Cancer happy. When they can take care of people and make them happy, make their experience happy, make their experience worthwhile, that's a happy Cancer. A Cancer with a home of their own, or, like a space, a room of their own, any space of their own that they can call their own, that they can hide away and go to, lock the door, no one else can get in, that is a happy Cancer. Cancer needs their shell to go in and hide away. That is the Cancer, cliche. I'm sorry, it is what it is. But interestingly enough, being in the shell actually makes the Cancer happy. Did you know that? Being in the shell does make a Cancer happy. There's a reason why they go in the shell. There's a TV in that shell. There's food in that shell. Comfort food, comfort TV, comfort television shows. The most comfortable couch or bed to lay in. The most comfortable blankets. The shell's a comfortable space for Cancers to be in. And I think people don't understand. It's always okay, Cancer, why are you always in your shell? Why are you always a recluse, holed up? And it's, Cancers, that's kind of their happy space, being holed up, being locked away. Sometimes that makes the Cancer happy. They don't like to always be accessible. Only accessible to the ones that they truly love. And sometimes they're not even always accessible to those people either. I'm just saying. Cancers love when people reach out to them and, are, the first to reach out to them just to say, hey, how are you doing? Or, hey, let's go out, let's hang out. Even if they don't answer back. Even if they, take, hours or, days or weeks to text back. They appreciate that. That makes them happy because it lets them know, first of all, that you're thinking about them and that you care. And Cancers like knowing that people care about them and that people think about them, because often Cancers can't deal with this little, insecurity every now and then that, that they're not worthy, that, people don't love them as much as they think they do, that blah, 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 all those types of things that comes with insecurity, depression, and those types of things. But people, and also animals make Cancers happy too. People and animals and other things, hopefully, that are healthy, all right, mentally and physically, bring Cancer out of that space of being insecure, being depressed, and so on and so forth. And, it's in those moments where, the people that they love or an animal or, whatever brings them out of that sadness, that's a happy Cancer, because that Cancer has life again. These are some reasons why Cancer, or these are some things that Cancer, that makes Cancer happy. So, Cancer, let me know what you think about this, and let me know what you think are some other things that may make a Cancer happy in the comments below. Make sure that you subscribe, like this video, comment, share. I am a psychic tarot reader as well as an astrologer, so check out my website to purchase a personal, confidential psychic tarot reading from me or an astrology birth chart reading from me. on my website, LamarrTownsendTarot.com. The link to my website's in the description box. It's in the comment section. It's also in the title of this video. Make sure you subscribe, like this video, hit the bell next to the subscribe button so you get a notification whenever I go live. Make sure those bars are on the bell so you get a notification every time. Also, make sure that when you purchase your reading from my website, I'm going to send you an email confirmation within 24 hours. If I don't, please email me. And within 1 to 3 days, usually sooner, we will get your reading done, okay? As soon as possible. And I am available, so purchase your readings now. Make sure you subscribe. Contact me or like my social media pages. My Instagram is at Lamarr Townsend. Facebook is Lamarr Townsend Tarot. Links are in the description box below. Also, check out my book on Amazon, Zodiac Signs, Sex Language, and also my singles on iTunes, Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and Tidal, so many more. They are called Forbidden Fruit and Unblock Me. More to come. Love and light. Catch you in the next video.